Ladies and gentlemen, to signal the start of the ceremony, particularly for the presentation of troops, to our guest of honor and speaker, and to all our guests present, may we humbly call on our Regional CRS Manager for Premier 3, Mr. Cesar A. Galang Jr. Sir.
Ihandog ang pamunuan para sa ating mga panuwing pandangal. Ihandog ang pamunuan para sa ating mga panuwing pandangal.
Handa! Wala balangay! Walang balangay! Lakad pasulong! Okay!
Ladies and gentlemen, marching towards the battalion red line is the smsecurityforce of Premier 3, Commercial Properties Group, Max Luna, Noah Arena, SMDC Projects, PS Store, FRG, and Greenpeace Property Management Corporation. They will now position themselves on the parade ground and continue marching while awaiting the troop commander's command.
For honored guest, who is Colonel Froilan Bernales, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, with great honor, we would like to present to you the smsecurityforce of Premier 3, Commercial Properties Group, Max Luna, Noah Arena, SMDC Projects, the SM Store, FRG, and Greenpeace Property Management Corporation.
Approaching the center stage is the troop commander for this morning's ceremony, who is no other than ESO Angelito A. Constancio of Mega Sinai Security Agency. The troop adjutant ordered the band to march off before the parading groups. The troop adjutant has been directed by the troop commander to receive the report.
Go! Go, balangay!
and gentlemen, approaching the center stage are the proud officers of the Kareli troops.
We will now proceed to the children of the land.
And now, we would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the exemplary deed performed by our security personnel under Mall of Asia Complex. These deeds are reflective of SM's corporate value of honesty and integrity, to duty that this speaks well of the attributes of becoming a commendable member of SM Security Force, worthy of praise and emulation. They brought honor and pride not only to themselves, their families, and their agency, but also to the SM group of companies in general. S.O. Rayleigh Camiones of MNS Security Services Incorporated for turning over 1 unit of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra worth 72,990 pesos. Signed, Mr. Almus J. Alabe, Mr. Hans T.C. LJ Julie R. Pahak of DJA Security Services Incorporated for turning over a wallet containing 65,740 pesos cash. Signed, Mr. Almus J. Alabe, Mr. Hans T.C. S.G. Romney Nebril of MNS Security Services Incorporated for recovering 1 unit of Samsung mobile phone worth 80,000 pesos. Signed, Mr. Almus J. Alabe, Mr. Hans T.C. Jesus P. Onopre of Mega Sinai Security Agency Incorporated for recovering 1 unit of iPhone 14 Pro Max mobile phone worth 90,666 pesos. Signed, Mr. Almus J. Alabe, Mr. Hans T.C. And SG Nilson G. Subian of DJA Security Services Incorporated for his presence of mind and good judgment, which resulted to the recovery of a treasury vault containing 2,095,000 pesos cash. Signed, Mr. Almos J. Alabe, Mr. Hans T.C.
We would like to request DGA Security Agency to officially hand over the cash prize of SG Somyag, the amount of 50,000 pesos. Palakpakan!
Let us come now to the most awaited portion of this ceremony, which is the parade in review. Followed by the SM Premier 3 Security Force led by Troop Commander SO Agnito Constancio, Battalion Staff SO Nanica, SO Tadena, SO Valencia, SO Jericho, SO De La Cruz. Followed by Alpha Company Commander SO Andisur Agan, his staff SG Trino, SG Verdejo, First Platoon Leader SO Gumban, Second Platoon Leader SO Burgos. Approaching is the Bravo Company Commander, S.O. Mervin Villardo. His staff, S.O. Barina, S.G. Di Somlo. First Platoon Leader, S.G. Manlangit. Second Platoon Leader, S.G. Amero. Ladies and gentlemen, the colors. Approaching is the Charlie Company Commander, S.O. Joe Marigao. His staff, S.O. Polarca, S.G. Teston. First Platoon Leader, S.O. Dolumpines. Second Platoon Leader, S.O. Abelos. It's written by S.G. Santos of RJC Incorporated Security Services Incorporated. Patrol from North Parking Building Detachment of SM Mall of Asia, SC Jang of MNS Security Services Incorporated. Patrol from South Parking Building Detachment, Mall of Asia, is ready by SG Ledesma of Herzog Security Agency. Patrol from Traffic
Vehicle, SG Mahinay of RJC Corporate Security Service. From Traffic Detachment, SM Mall of Asia, SG David of Mega Sinai Security Agency. Mall Detachment, SM Mawa Square. SG Delay of Goldland Security Agency. From Traffic Detachment, SM Mall of Asia. SG Apiado of DGA Security Service. From Traffic Detachment, CPG. SG Sastrilio of DGA Security Service. From Traffic Detachment, MAAX. SG Lumingkit of Gardistan Security Agency. From Shoal Residences, SMDC. SG Ortega of Gardistan Security Agency. From Shorter Residences, SMDC. SG Bra of Northcote Security Agency. From Sea Residences, SMDC. SG Buntog of Northcote Sasha Security Agency.
Thank you, sir.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.